my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am officially taking all of my fall decor down. I'm gonna be putting it away in totes and we are gonna be cleaning and prepping for all of the Christmas decor. I am so excited. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kailyn and I make all kinds of homemaking content and decorating inspiration here on my channel, and I would love to have you guys stick around. So make sure to like this video if you are excited for all of the Christmas content to come. I've got a cup of coffee to get me going and a candle burning, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I'm getting started by taking everything off of my hutch in the dining room. This is where I had our tablescape and there was just a lot of stuff on here, so I'm going to take it all out. And the method to the madness is to put it all in one area. So I'm going to put all of the fall decor on my kitchen table and I'm going to separate it by different types. So I'm going to keep things that are neutral decor that can be used all year in one section. And then I'm going to put all of my fall decor in another section. That way, once I'm done and ready to put everything in totes, I will know where it goes.
Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy your heartbreak. Enjoy your heartbreak, my friend. The promises we're making, the rules we keep breaking. And the moment we're off it, we try so hard to stop it. I hope we make it, 'cause we can't change it anyway. For soon it's all over, and you've been running again.
We're heading into the kitchen and I'm going to take all of the decor off of these floating shelves. That's where the majority of my decor is, in the kitchen, and I will say I really enjoy having these shelves because I feel like I can put a lot of decor up there and then it doesn't crowd my countertop space, which is amazing when you're cooking. You just need that extra space and it clears my mind not having a bunch of stuff on the counter. So really have been enjoying these floating shelves and I cannot wait to decorate them for Christmas.
I heard that you walked out again. I heard that you cried. Come this way, let me be a friend. My home's open wide. We can live here. We can die. There's nothing to fear if you try. If you can.
Now we're moving into the living room and I'm going to pull everything off of these floating shelves. Again, it makes it pretty easy for takedown because I can just look and see what I have, grab it, and go. I don't really have to think about where it's gonna go and how it's gonna look like you are when you're decorating. So the undecorating part is actually not too bad. And I did this a little bit before I put my Christmas out. So a few days before, I went through and did this and took all of my fall decor and fall things down and left it as a blank space for a couple days, and it was so nice. Having just a clear, fresh start was so refreshing.
Oh, so bright and awake.
You guys know that I like to keep some sort of wreath up in my windows in the living room all year round. In the summertime, I have a greenery type of wreath. In the fall, I had this really pretty wheat one, and then for Christmas, I'm going to put either a flocked one or just a pine wreath, and I'm so excited. I think it's going to be so pretty, but I attached them by just using some ribbon that match my drop cloth curtains, and then I put a tiny nail on top of the windowsill. So super easy, and I'm able to just pull that nail out and change it out for the seasons.
We can live here. We can die. We can live here. We can die.
Now we're going to take down this tiny little wall that I decorated for Halloween. It was so much fun doing this. I loved the bats on the wall. It was kind of sad to see them go, honestly, but I really loved how this turned out, and I'm excited to kind of expand my creative juices and do something fun for Christmas.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
If you're having trouble getting motivated to take down your fall decor or even to just get your Christmas decor out, now is the chance to do one room at a time. Even if you start with your bedroom or start with the living room or something like that, I find that once you get started, then you get more excited to go ahead and do it. So sometimes it just takes that first step.
Stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun.
I have some really pretty DIYs that I plan on doing in an upcoming video full of Christmas inspiration. We're gonna make some signs, some ornaments, some name tags, and if you guys don't follow me over on Instagram, I've already done a DIY for you guys over on Stories. I made some DIY air dry clay ornaments, and they were so fun. We embossed them with stamps, and they turned out so cute. We made little leather ties for them, added some wood beads. I'll insert a clip of them here, so if you guys want to see how to make those, go follow me over on Instagram and check out the highlight. Alright, now that everything is pulled down, I have my whole kitchen table full as well as my island here. So I'm just going to grab my empty totes and I'm going to stick all of the decor back in them. And I like to use tissue paper or even like seasonal towels that I'm going to be storing, and I wrap all of my breakables around them and place them accordingly in the boxes. But other than that, there's really no rhyme or reason to them.
Doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do.
Now I'm going to get started cleaning. I'm going to give everything a quick dust with my Swiffer duster. Those things are amazing. You can get refills and keep the handle and just switch out the little duster. Then I'm going to take my 7th generation wood cleaner and I'm just going to go around the house and wipe down anything that needs cleaned off before I put new decor out. And then in my hutch I store all of my Rae-Dunn, so I'm going to pull out all of my Christmas Rae-Dunn pieces and I'm just going to set them up here and get ready for whenever I am decorating for Christmas, and then I will put my fall pieces and dip my cloches and stuff in the hutch in its place. If you collect Rae-Dunn or different dishware, bakeware type of stuff, I highly recommend looking into a hutch just for the storage purposes. It really adds so much. I don't have to put it in my kitchen. I don't have to worry about putting things in totes. It really is a great way to store those breakable items.
I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh. For a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in a car. Say who you are, who you really are.
Taylor made me a huge sign to go over this table for Christmas, and I'm going to put the words on it using my Cricut machine, and I am so excited. So that's going to be in an upcoming video as well.
I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh.
Alright, Taylor is going to take the totes back out to the garage. We've got a little system out there where we have cubbies that all of the totes go in. It's really nothing special, but it is working for us. We cleaned out the garage, I don't know, a month ago or so, and I'm so glad that we did. Now I know where all of the Christmas is at, I know where everything goes, and everything has a place.
Just do it.
Now I'm going to head into the kitchen and wipe down the windowsill and the countertops. I'm just going to give everything a quick cleaning and wipe down. I feel like I do this all day, every day, but it just feels nice at the end of the day to have your countertops clean.
I worry about the weather, waiting for snow. And each day I feel better, and my hope begins to grow. Been staring out my window, looking for a sign, something to remind me of the place I left behind. My time of the year. There's a
Now I'm going to sweep my floors, and I'm just using my Bona dry mop for this. I love this thing. I have it linked to my Amazon store if you guys are interested, but it picks up all of the pet hair and dirt and stuff really, really well, and it's just quick and easy. So sometimes I will pull out my vacuum and put it on the hardwood setting and let that go. Otherwise, I just grab this little handy guy.
We do lots of things I know our folks would not forgive.
Alright, here is the house undecorated for fall, and I am so excited to get in here and put all of the Christmas stuff up, but for now, I'm really enjoying the simplicity of it.
I know it's a lot to ask for a day to forever last. I could wash my hands, but still would relive my past. My time of the year.
Alright guys, we are all done with cleaning and putting away all of the fall decor. It feels so good now that it's done, so hopefully this gave you tons of motivation to take down all of your fall decorations and prep and get in the mood to put all of your Christmas decor up. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put one tree up tonight, so stay tuned for lots and lots of Christmas decorate with me videos. I think I'm gonna start out with the living room first. To make sure you head over to Instagram, because I know I'm gonna post a sneak peek whenever I put this tree up in the living room. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and let me know if you are new down in the comments. Like this video if you are excited for Christmas decorate with me's, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.